In this video, we will show you how to build a mansion step by step and also share some creative building ideas and tips along the way. Use the clickable sections below to keep track of what step you're on in this video. Starting out, you will need to find or terraform an area of land where you want to build your mansion on. Next, plan the layout of your build by setting a foundation. For this build, we will have the main part of the building in the middle and we'll add an extension on each side. For the walls, we will be using white terracotta and gray concrete for the sides of windows. Make sure you leave spaces for windows and the main entrance while adding the walls. The main part of the building will contain 2 floors and the sides will only have 1 floor. For the roof, we will be using polished blackstone brick stairs and quartz stairs. The blackstone stairs will be the main roof and the quartz stairs will be used as a frame. Fill in the spaces you left for windows using your choice of glass. To spice up the build, we'll add some windows on the roofs. For the floor inside the mansion, we will use cyan terracotta to add a nice contrast against the walls. Now that the exterior of the build is complete, we can move on to the interior. We'll start by sectioning the mansion into rooms. Next, we'll add stairs that go to the second floor. Starting with the kitchen, we'll use some counters along the walls using quartz. You can create a functioning fridge by placing a barrel and an iron block on top of it. Then add an iron door and a button. You can use a cauldron for the sink. And you can add functional shelves using barrels and trapdoors. Moving on to the bedroom, you can make a closet by placing trapdoors on the sides with armor stands inside, and add barrels for extra storage. You can create a bookshelf using stairs and slabs with actual bookshelves behind them to give an illusion of a more 3D bookshelf. The next step is the living room. You can build a sofa using wool and slabs. And you can add a fireplace using campfires. You can create lamps using an end rod with a zombie or skeleton head on top of it. And if you wish, you can add a dining room inside your mansion. Finish up the interior however you like. For the exterior, we'll add an archway for the entrance. We'll also add some windowsills under the windows with flowers to add more detail to the build. And to finish off the mansion, we'll be adding a fountain, some plants, and paths.